So, thank you for clicking this channel. Chapter 5 Quadrilateral. Practice it 5.3. Diagonals of a rectangle A, B, C, D intersect at point O. If AC means this diagonal is 8 cm, then find BO, this half, and CAD is 35 degree, then find ACB, this angle. Okay. So, rectangles के कुछ properties होते हैं. So, while solving these sums, we will understand what are the properties. Now, to solve this, we will start that this figure is given rectangle. So, quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, this is given to us. Then, therefore, if it is a rectangle, so first property we will use that diagonal BD is equal to diagonal AC. Diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Okay. So, but they have given us AC. AC is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay. So, therefore, this BD, AC and BD congruent. So, therefore, BD is also 8 centimeter. This is given, and this one. So, now further we have to find out BO. So, BO is what? Half of BD. Okay. BO is what? Half of BD. Why? Diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. So, therefore, BO equals to half into BD is how much? 8. Okay, from 1. कहाँ से 8 लिया? 1 में हमने शो किया था कि BD का मेजर 8 है. So, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So, therefore, BO is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay. So, therefore, side AD is parallel to side BC. AD and BC. Why they are parallel? Reason, opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel. Okay. So, therefore, this is parallel on transversal. See, AD and BC हम parallel शो कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये जो डायगनल्स है उनमें से कोई एक डायगनल्स को हमको ट्रांसवर्सल प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस एंगल. हमको ये एंगल की ढूंढना है. तो हम ये वाला ट्रांसवर्सल डायगनल AC को ट्रांसवर्सल. सो देयरफॉर एंगल ACB is congruent to angle CAD, alternate angles. Okay, Z shape हुआ ना, तो alternate angles theorem, parallel line and transversal. But see, angle CAD is given to us 35 degree. So, therefore, we will get angle ACB is also 35 degree. This is given to us. So hence here is the sums. We got this as well as this. Second question. In a rhombus PQRS, if PQ is 7.5, then find QR. So here PQRS and PQ is 7.5. So they have asked us to find out QR. Okay. So if QPS is 75 degree, then find the measure of PQR, this angle, and SRQ, this angle. So ये rhombus है, so opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. So SRQ is 75 degree. So and rhombus is similar to square. Sides of a rhombus are congruent. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है. तो अगर ये PQ है 7.5, तो ये QR भी 7.5. तो इसको स्टार्ट ऐसे करेंगे. That quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus given. Therefore, this side QR is equal to side QP. Sides of a rhombus, reason sides of a rhombus are equal. Okay, but PQ is equals to 7.5. Therefore, QR equals to 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, this first one is done. जो first जून ने बोला था QR, that is done. Now, SRQ is congruent to QPS. SRQ is congruent to QPS. Opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. Rhombus are congruent, but we know that यहाँ पे एक मेजर दिया है QPS. एंगल QPS is equals to 75 degree. So therefore angle QPS 75, तो SRQ is also 75 degree. Okay. Now next, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Now see, ये rhombus दिया हुआ है. Why we are stating it as parallelogram? Because every rhombus is said to be parallelogram. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है. हर एक rhombus parallelogram कहलाता है. So therefore measure angle PQR plus measure angle SPQ equals to 180 degree. See, PQR and SPQ means angle P और Q मिला के 180 degree. Why? Because they are adjacent angle. तो यहाँ reason देंगे adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so therefore we will show this again, that PQR plus SPQ is how much? 75. So 75 degree equals to 180 degree. So therefore this 75 will come here. PQR equals to 180 degree minus 75 degree, that is equals to 105 degree. PQR, hence all the answer. देखो PQR, SRQ and find QR. 1, 2, 3. Sums is solved. Third question, diagonal of a square IJKL intersects at point M. Find the measure of INJ and JIK and LJK. Okay. See this angle, and this angle they are asking. Now see how we will start. They have given that quadrilateral IJKL is a square. Okay, this is given. So diagonal of a square are perpendicular to each other. This is the property. एक प्रॉपर्टी है कि डायगोनल आई जे और एल जे परपेंडिकुलर है. तो देयरफॉर जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आई एम जे, यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री मिला. आई एम जे इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री क्योंकि डायगोनल्स परपेंडिकुलर है. सो नाउ डायगोनल of a square bisect the opposite angles. Okay, diagonals of a square bisect the opposite angles. So therefore angle JIK is equals to JIK is equals to half of angle JIL. सी ये स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर का एक कंप्लीट एंगल कितना होता है 90 डिग्री. तो उसका हाफ होगा ना, बिकॉज डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ स्क्वायर बाइसेक्ट, तो 90 का हाफ होगा. सो देयरफॉर JIK इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू 90 डिग्री. एंगल्स ऑफ ए स्क्वायर 90 डिग्री क्यों लिया हमने? एंगल्स ऑफ अ स्क्वायर 90 डिग्री. तो देयरफॉर हाफ कितना हुआ 45 डिग्री. सो 45 डिग्री JIK. सिमिलरली वी कैन शो दैट जो अभी लास्ट पार्ट में LJK इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ ऑफ IJK. सेम. ओके, रीजन एंगल ऑफ ए स्क्वायर. तो देयरफॉर हाफ इंटू 90 डिग्री 45 डिग्री. सो angle LJK is also equals to 45 degree. So first, second and this third. Fourth sums, diagonal of a rhombus are 20 centimeter and 21 centimeter. एक rhombus होता है जिसका एक diagonal small और एक long होता है. So one diagonal is 20 centimeter and other one is 21. Respectively. Then find the side of the rhombus and its perimeter. Means ये जो side है AB, BC, CD ये ढूंढना है. Figure दिया नहीं है. We have drawn figure. Now there are some properties. Rhombus के properties क्या है? All sides of rhombus are congruent, equal, square की तरह. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, perpendicular bisector. तो मतलब अगर ये 20 है तो ये 10 10 हुआ, ये 21 है तो 10.5 10.5 और यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री. तो इन शॉर्ट अगर हम एक ट्रायंगल एज्यूम करते तो हमको ये हाइपोटेनस ढूंढना पड़ेगा. ये 10 का 10.5 हो जाएगा और ये वाला 10 हो जाएगा. So let's see how we will do. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. This is given to us. Okay. So diagonal AC and BD intersect at point M. Okay. So AC equals to 20 centimeter and BD equals to 21 centimeter. So therefore diagonals of a rhombus are bisector of each other. ये हम प्रॉपर्टी लिख रहे हैं. तो therefore diagonals AC and BD are bisector of each other. So therefore AM is equals to half of AC equals to half of 20 equals to 10 centimeter. This is 1. Okay. And similarly we will show BM. BM equals to half of BD into half into 21, 2 tens are 2 5s are 10, 10.5 centimeters. Okay, and now since एक triangle में we have find out both side, so we will take in triangle AMB, measure angle AMB equals to 90 degree. Reason diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So therefore now Pythagoras theorem that AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. So therefore AB we don't know, AM is 10 and BM is 10.5. So 10 tens are 100 and 10.5 100 and this. So AB square. Now when we add this we get 210.25. So we have to find out decimal. इनका स्क्वायर रूट ढूंढना है. तो टू फाइंड आउट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस व्हाट वी विल डू, इसका डेसिमल हटा लेंगे. तो ये 100 यूनिट टेंस 100 का डेसिमल है. सो देयरफॉर इसको जब हम फैक्टराइज करते हैं तो 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 29 इंटू 29 अपॉन 10 इंटू 10. तो ए बी का जब स्क्वायर रूट जाएगा so we will get out of 251 and out of 229 दो है तो 1 है, इसमें से भी 1. so 5 9 45, 4 5 2 10, 14 upon 10 that equals to 14.5. क्या किया हमने, स्क्वायर रूट लिया. so therefore final answer AB equals to 14.5 centimeter. Now perimeter ये हो गया. all sides of rhombus are congruent. तो each sides of rhombus ABCD is 14.5 centimeter and perimeter equals to 4 into 14.5, that is equals to 58 centimeter. Okay. State with reason whether following statements are true or false. Every parallelogram is a rhombus. So, statement is false. यहाँ बोल रहे every parallelogram is a rhombus. So, all sides of rhombus are congruent. और पैरेललोग्राम के सिर्फ ऑपोजिट साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं, whereas in parallelogram opposite sides are congruent. That's why it is not possible that every parallelogram is a rhombus. Now second one, every rhombus is a rectangle. So now again this is false. We know rectangles are 90 degree and all the angles are congruent. So here each angle of a rectangle is right angle, whereas in rhombus opposite angles are congruent. They need not be right angles always. Okay, हमेशा right angle होंगे ये ज़रूरी नहीं. Now each rectangle is a parallelogram. So yes, it is true because in rectangle both pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is true for parallelogram. Parallelogram और rectangle दोनों के opposite sides congruent होते हैं. Okay. Each square is a rectangle. So true because each angle of square is a right angle which is true for rectangle also. Okay. Now each square is a rhombus. This is also true because all sides of a square are congruent, which is true for rhombus also. Every parallelogram is a rectangle. So this is false. Parallelogram angles are not 90 degree. So each angle of rectangle is a right angle which is not true for a parallelogram.